Hi everyone, Ironclad Cobra here and welcome to another quick unboxing first impressions video. Today I'm going to share with you a great x86 Windows handheld, which is the ROG Ally X. I got this last month as an early birthday present from my generous and super friendly and awesome friends and family who pitched in as a way of supporting my YouTube channel, and they got me the ROG Ally X. I was planning to open this on November, which is my birthday, but I couldn't wait to open up this awesome device. So let's get started. Of course, the Ally X, as you know, is only $100 more from the original Ally, which was $700 at launch. This one is $800, and of course for another $100 it's worth the upgrade. If you have an Ally, that could be okay, but if you don't, then I would totally recommend the Ally X, because there are some upgrades from the original Ally. It includes double the battery from 40 watts to 80 watts, huge battery capacity now. It has now 1 terabyte of storage compared to 512 gigs on the original Ally, and it also has more RAM. The regular Ally has 16 gigs of RAM, this one has 24 gigs of RAM. And of course it's a bit faster as well. The original Ally's RAM is 6400, this one is 7500, so it's a bit faster. You might get bit performance bump. Of course the chipset is still the same. It's the Z1 Extreme, which is an awesome chipset that gets you play most, if not all, the AAA games with no problem. Apart from that, this one also has the full-size M.2 SSD, the 2280, whereas the previous Ally had the shorter one, which was the 2230. Okay, let's get started. Just removing the plastic. And as I mentioned, if most of you have the original Ally, I think the original Ally is still a great device. But if you are entering the x86 Windows handheld market, it's great to have the Ally X. And I always mention in my videos, I love to do car analogies, and I always say that the Ally is the Lamborghini of handheld PCs. Okay, let's go. And of course this one has the all black color now, compared to the white original Ally, which I still prefer and love. Okay, let's remove the sealing. There you go. Let's pop up this bad boy open. Wow, super amazing. Okay. Of course, as I always do, I'll include some gameplay videos in the next couple of days, but today is just quick unboxing first impressions. Let's see what we have in the box. The charging unit, as you see, which is 80 watts now. It's a crazy battery capacity. And apart from that, I think that's it. It's of course a USB-C charging type, as it has on the original Ally as well. Yeah. And that's it. This is the charging brick. It's a 65 watt charging brick. Let's have a look at the unit itself. Now, as I mentioned, the Ally X still has the same specs when it comes to the screen. It's still the 7-inch 1080p resolution screen. They did some minor changes to the shell and to the design, but I think in general it's almost the same technical specs, apart from what I mentioned: the battery, the RAM, the storage, and the full-size M.2 SSD. Okay, so let's go. It looks like a very badass handheld with the all black color. And there you go. Amazing, beautiful piece of technology. It has also a great emulation potential as well with the Z1 Extreme chipset. The front firing speakers are the same. I think there are some minor changes to the D-pad. The face buttons are still the same. The ABXY, the launch, the menu, all the quick settings buttons, positions are still the same. I think one difference also, they also removed the port for the XG Mobile, which is the external GPU that they used to have on the original Ally, and they replaced it with two USB-Cs. One is USB 3 and one is USB 4. So I think that's one of the differences as well. But apart from that, it's almost the same. You know, there are some changes to the face buttons, to the shoulder buttons and triggers as well. In general, the back plate is almost the same as well as the original Ally. But in general, it's amazing ergonomics, design, performance. So I think, guys, that would be for today. It was just a quick unboxing, first impressions video, and it looks totally awesome. I'm glad I got this as an early birthday gift. Thanks again for my family and friends. I'll share some gameplay videos soon. Thanks again for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And always remember, we don't stop gaming because we grow old. We grow old because we stop gaming.